We derived, no? If I place charge, positive charge, if I place positive charge, center, now you have to find electric flux. Let us take small area. Due to this, act like this in this direction. Area. Electric flux act in this direction. For this also electric flux in this direction. For this also electric flux. Small areas. So electric for this electric acts this direction. So normal area also this direction. So what is the angle here? What is the angle? 0. So we derived already. What is the flux through a sphere? Q by epsilon naught, right? Q by epsilon naught. Is this flux depend on shape and size of the sphere? We'll see. Size and shape of the closed surfaces does not depend for flux. Same earlier. Does not depend for net flux. So we place center Q charge with radius r. Here also flux same. Why means it does not depend on anything here. Radius does not depend. This is depend on only charge and permittivity. Here also same. Let us take this R. Here also same R3. So it does not depend on size and shape of the sphere. And in any closed surface, if you place charge at the center, if you place any enclosed surface, the flux is always Q by epsilon naught. Any shape you take, cylinder also. What is the flux? Q by epsilon naught. Today's in theory part is there. Here also flux is what? Q by epsilon naught. So from this part what I'm trying to prove here, flux does not depend on shape and size of the 3D surfaces. It's purely independent of shape and size. Take this point. Q by epsilon naught. For closed surface, that's what 3D surface. This is what net charge. Now let us take one surface here. I'm placing charge here. I'm placing charge here. What is the flux here? If you place inside the soil sphere, you get the electric flux is what? Q by epsilon naught. If you place outside, it will become 0. Let us take this point here. Out is 0. Out is electric plus is 0. Before only is start ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 2D ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ 2D ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈಗ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ 3D ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3D ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 2D ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆದರೆ everywhere you can take anywhere ಕೆಳಗಡೆ two surfaces ಕೆಳಗಡೆ but here 3D the electric plus only you can take outside surface outwards only so in 3D surface ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ electric field direction ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ electric field direction ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ cross section ಇದು vector area also this direction this is electric field area vector also this direction. So what is the angle here? 0. That is same direction here is 0 angle. Here let us take this part. Here cross section area this direction. Cross section area this direction. Opposite this outside part. Sphere outside part is outside part and inner side cross section area. Electric field area is direction area. So what is the angle here? 180 degree. You net plus 10 degree. Net plus 10 degree there two components are. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇದೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ y1 is equal to e into dA ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು cos 180 ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ y2 is equal to e into dA what is the angle here 0 so what is cos 180 value minus 1 dA ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 1 plus 1 dA net flux ಏನಂತ y1 plus y2 yeah minus CDA plus CDA 0 so from this way we come outside the surface if electric charge plays outside the surface means outside the 3D surface means what is the electric flux on that 0 okay ಇದರ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು q1 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ q2 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ q3 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು dr ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದರ ನೆಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ q1 q2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ epsilon ಈ ತರ ಕೇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ देखो here first point what is the Gaussian surface should be symmetric about charge distribution what is that let us take this shape here charge is placed means that what is that if it is Gaussian surface means it should be the charge distribution should be symmetric ella kadegu same first point the electric field must be symmetric electric field ಯಾವುದು same at all the points the angle theta must be same at all the points of the surface which angle we are measuring from here now angle between E and A adena book same Gaussian surface must be not passed away any point now we will solve some questions let's say if we are placing the plus q charge here it is symmetric about both and electric field also this direction the normal also this direction and this direction what is the electric flux is q by epsilon naught what if I place here if that plus charge ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದು let us assume this part same symmetrical shape one I placed here now what it becomes like also symmetric this also now this electric flux becomes q by 2 epsilon let us take hemisphere First case, second case, hemisphere. This is what hemisphere. Now I am placing plus q charge here. Plus q. Center ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sphere. ಇದು hemisphere. Let us also next again for completion. Now it is complete. For sphere what? For electric flux for sphere what? Q by epsilon. Yes. This is like hemisphere. This is called semi-cylinder. For hemisphere, what is the electric flux? Q by 2 epsilon. Next case, here I am placing plus q charges on this q at edge. Now each part, now to calculate the flux, I have to draw symmetry. No, it will take 6 parts. 6 parts it covers. So each part will come q by 6 epsilon naught. Q by 6 epsilon naught. Each phase. This is third case. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So here we know what is the electric flux of cylinder q by epsilon and already we calculated. See here, this one you can write this way. Right. Here plus q is placed. If you extend this, what is the shape? Cone. What is the shape? Cone. So we want electric flux on this. Electric flux on curved surfaces. So here what we want to know? Sphere total is cylinder. Total cylinder to q by epsilon naught. Total length ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು q by epsilon naught. ಅದರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ electric flux ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ q by epsilon naught ಟೋಟಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ q by epsilon naught. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೋನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಕೋನ್ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎರಡು ಕೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಕರ್ವ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು flux through cone. What is the formula? Now this is here to here r. This is also r. What is the formula?
q by epsilon naught.
Q by 2 epsilon naught 1 minus cos theta, right? 1 minus cos theta. Here this is the angle. What is the angle? This is 40. This is perpendicular to half angle. How much is this? 45 degree. So q2 by epsilon naught 1 minus cos 45.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ 45 ಅಂತ ಆಂಗಲ್ 45 ಅಂತ
ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ q ಚಾರ್ಜ್.
ಅದು ಥೀಟಾ ಆಂಗಲ್ 45 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Q by 2 epsilon naught. What is q 2 by epsilon naught? What is 45 value? Cos 45 value? Cos 45
1 by 2.
1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So this is for one cone. Similarly, another cone is also there. So for two cone, 2 into this, right? One thing is that I condition 2 into this. 1 by 2 epsilon naught. 1 minus 1 by root 2. Here get cancel. For 2 cube ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? q by epsilon naught 1 minus 1 by root ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Now you see it for curved, flux on curved, flux on curved, flux on curved, flux on curved. What? Cylinder
minus cone
minus
2 cone
2 cone. Cylinder is q by
2 epsilon naught
cylinder q
2 by epsilon naught
minus this is q by epsilon naught 1 minus 1 by root 2. What's common? What's common?
q by epsilon naught
q by epsilon naught common outside ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 plus 1 by root 2. Right? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ? q by epsilon naught ಹೊರಗೋಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಇದು 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಇದು minus 1 ಇಂಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 1 into plus 1 minus 1. Minus into minus plus. This one get cancel minus 1 minus 1. So ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ?
q by
epsilon naught
into 1 by root 2
into 1 by root 2. So what is the answer? Q by root 2 epsilon naught. Curved surface. Phi curved is equal to Q by root 2 epsilon naught. Take. ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ here you have to find the plus q charge placed here. Plus q charge not center. Plus q charge placed here. So here you have to find the here you have to find this part, this curved surface area. So let us take this is r, this is h. What is this? This is angle. This is theta. This is 90 degree. This is theta. What is this?
r square
R square plus h square. So what is cos theta? This is 90 degree. This angle is
opposite by hypotenuse
h by
hypotenuse.
that is what r square plus h square. Same. Total electric flux is equal to what? Q by epsilon naught. Either the electric flux one what?
Total minus
Pi net is total minus what is shape?
cone.
Cone minus cone.
ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ?
ಈಗ ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೋನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? q by 2 epsilon naught 1 minus cos theta. So ಅದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. Just nothing. Just ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ